Qompress's work discussing a general way to make use of higher energy states for any qubit circuit to increase available computational space of a quantum computer by up to 2 times while improving gate fidelity. In quantum computing, we usually care about qubits, which are devices with access to 2 energy levels to represent the 0 and 1 state. But quantum devices can have access to higher energy levels, potentially any number. When we are able to access the 4th level of a qubit, it becomes possible to combine the data of 2 2-level qubits into a single 4-level Qquart device through a compression gate. And recently it has been shown that qubit interactions are not as expensive as previously thought. We develop realistic gate times on a specific Hamiltonian between each pair of encoded and not encoded qubits to make a gate set that gives us access to CNOT gates inside of Qquart and partial Qquart operations, which help us use qubit on Qquart interactions for any circuit. We develop compiler algorithms to transparently make use of these qubit on Qquart operations without input from the original programmer and balance the trade-offs of higher qubit interactions. Our compiler generates circuits that have significantly better expected probability of success with respect to gate error by taking advantage of these partial interactions on Qquarts to reduce communication and use better internal gates to increase success. Come to the talk on Tuesday at 3:40 or the poster on Monday to find out more.